episode of Making It Work, we are going to be making some strawberry ice cream.
Yeah, we are.
With no sugar and no other stuff that we can't pronounce or any of that kind of stuff. So let's get started.
It's all in plain English.
This is 2.5 cups of half and half. We use either grass-fed or organic, and we're going to put everything into the blender, blend it up, and then put it in this beautiful non-BA thing. And then let's get that. There's a 1/4 cup of raw local honey and a 1/4 cup of maple syrup in that one. You might need the little spatula for that. Like we've said before, honey seems to spike his sugar a little bit, but the maple syrup doesn't affect it much. Go figure. So we're using a combination.
But note, for some reason this blend of what we're making today does not affect my sugar, which is kind of interesting.
It's going to be like 6 or 7 servings. And I don't know how much, so there's not a whole lot of honey in any one serving. You ready?
But just a little bit of sugar, a little bit of honey will spike my sugar. And I believe we get it all.
Okay, so this is going to be a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Oh, put that like that. This is a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon and a 1/4 teaspoon of ginger.
Cinnamon and ginger.
And some strawberries, which are frozen. Organic.
To your liking.
Yep. Okay.
That's it.
Put the lid on.
Lid.
Always put the lid on.
It works well without it, but not the effect that you want.
Alright, that's pretty much as easy as it gets, right? The hardest part is putting this thing together.
Since I licked that spatula, let's get the honey off and everything off the sides.
Yeah, do that.
Yeah, we can put this in a glass and drink it. It would good.
It would good? It would good?
It would good. It would be good. It's nice.
Make sure all the dog hair's off the paddle.
Alright. We're done with the vanilla. 100% pure vanilla.
Haitian vanilla.
Haitian, out of Haiti. Straight out of Haiti. I got it.
Just like our son. Okay, so all you got to do is mix that stuff up in the, like in a blender, and put it in your ice cream maker, whatever kind of ice cream maker you have. And you could double this if you have, this is about maybe 3 cup max capacity in this thing. But
Hope there's some more in here.
some more
The good
honey?
stuff.
Oh yeah, we want the sweetener. You want the sweetener. You are making a mess. He is a messy cook.
But I can cook.
You can.
Alright, I think we're done.
Oh my gosh. Like I said, the hardest part is putting this thing together. Alright, and then you will just churn it according to your manufacturer's directions. It's stuck. It's stuck already. You gotta do that part fast. Yes, it is definitely already freezing. Alright. So we will catch you on the flip side when it has been churned,
A little more.
frozen, and into ice cream. Okay, it's
We're
been
back.
about 10 minutes or so, and this is getting close to ready.
Clock right there.
Huh?
But they can see on the clock right there.
I don't think so. Maybe. But Anyway, the reason we started making this kind of ice cream is because sugar right now is absolutely making him sick. So, and it's, I mean, he's diabetic. It's a no, and people don't really need to eat much sugar anyway, if any at all. And we just wanted something that we also knew what kind of milk it was or what kind of dairy. So we would either use A2, which is good for diabetics, or grass-fed, which is also really safe for diabetics. Are you going to show them the A2?
Yeah. I was going to show you the A2, but it's kind of buried in the fridge.
It's in the back of the fridge right at the moment. Or organic, at least organic. Prefer grass-fed or the A2, but anyway, so now when the family gets together later on and they're all eating their sugary ice cream, we will have this to eat, and it tastes just as good. It really does.
Yeah, from having no ice cream to being able to have this is really good.
Should we taste it?
We'll taste it.
We'll taste it. Make sure it's okie fine.
Yeah, gotta make sure it's okie dokie fine. You want a bite?
Yeah. Mmm.
Mmm,
Well, that's good.
that's good.
But anyway, that is how we make our homemade, sugar-free, yummy strawberry ice cream.
For diabetes.
And
For me.
And for anybody that doesn't want to have sugar. Thanks for watching this episode of Making It Work.
Because it works for us. Enjoy.